Outlines in Alight motion. Let's take a look at all the outlines I'm going to show you in this tutorial. First, we have the stroke, which only works on shapes, text, and vector layers in Alight motion. Take the layer and go to Border and Shadows. Enable the stroke. The stroke has many customizable settings. Other than being able to adjust the thickness, we can also change the style of the ends and corners and add shapes to the ends. A square like this has corners. There are 3 types of corners, each with its own name, which I found in Illustrator. Bevel joint, round joint, meter joint, butt cap, round cap, projecting cap. As you can see, the ends or caps are also customizable. You can add these heads to both the start and end caps. Look, the sharp corner and the rounded cap combo looks so good. Yes, we can change the color too, but we can't make an outline color changing animation using stroke. That's why we have all the others. Go to Border and Shadows again and you'll find the border. You can use the border on groups, images, and everything else. The border has the inside, center, and outside settings. No, you cannot change the caps or corners for this one. You can also enable the shadow to create a sticker-like look. If you look closely, you'll notice that the color has this buttony look, similar to the other settings. This means it is animatable. Add keyframes, then change the color to animate. All the next options I'll be showing will allow you to animate the outline color. Now let's move on to the effects. You'll find the border/stroke-like effects in the drawing and edge category. First, we have the contour gradient effect. The fill allows you to fade your image while the alpha allows you to fade the outline or contour. Outset is for putting a little gap between the image and the outline. The width is for the thickness. Fade is for this faded edge airbrushy look. The second outline effect is the contour lines effect, also from the drawing and edge category. Same settings as the previous ones, except there's the count for the number of lines in the outline. Lastly, there's the glow effect. If you set the hardness and the alpha to the maximum, it'll look like an outline. You can adjust the thickness of the outline by adjusting the radius. These are the top 5 ways to add an outline. Check out my rim lighting tutorial for some cool lighting for your next work.